Then we had to create the ebook cover image. Now, how did we create the ebook cover image? I'll not take a lot of time here. Mm, ebook cover. You'll get a lot of ebook cover templates over here. Just check this out. Like this is one. I would, let's say, the name of my ebook here is the fast track guide to finding the right talent right now. What I would do is use a similar format. Okay, and bring it at the top, and by Nisha Moore here at the bottom. Okay, finding the right talent right now. I will bring it a little to the top. I think the logo size can be made a bit shorter so that it looks cleaner. Yeah, this looks okay. Just a quick version of how we can quickly design a cover image. Again, this one would now to apply our branding, what we would do is we'll use the brand kit feature that Canva has for Nisha Moore. I will go to select Nisha Moore as the brand kit, and yeah, I will now want to. So here we have it in the colors in the something similar to this. I would want to change the font, heading font, sorry, the Nisha Moore's font, the Nisha Moore's font, and the Nisha Moore's font. Okay. Here we have this. I'm just doing it really quick. We have a lot of ways how we can make it look better, make it look good. Yeah, for now this is what we will have. I will add the logo, make it bigger. I'll delete this, and I can leave the name here and so on, so we can make more modifications. But yeah, that is how we ultimately came to something like this. So that was the ebook template. That was how we did the logo.